In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ANC future while talking about the anchor convention cost conjecture for 2022 and then some, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. If it's not too much trouble, in every practical sense, remember that you ought to for the most part believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything certainly is a difficult errand, essentially not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like anchor convention, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Presently, we should head into it amazingly. Before we dig essentially profound into the anchor convention value expectation and answer questions in the event that ANC sort of is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will ANC for the most part succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will more convention value rise or drop? We should rapidly explicitly toss a look at what ANC is and its to-date history. ANC value expectation for the in every way that really matters, next 90 days. The entire crypto world especially is on an edge of an undeniable generally bear market in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin especially has explicitly drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market generally drops affected by seething expansion and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers basically are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors, or so they really thought. Crypto basically is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous essentially play, and subsequently the auction, which is genuinely critical. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the exact moment part of the year, or so they thought. This for the most part is reflected in our 2022 expectations amazingly. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to sort of find a really nearby base before we can move in every practical sense, inverse course and explicitly alter the course, or so they thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will truly begin to do likewise. We in every way that really matters have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model fundamentally is negative for the essentially next 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We essentially expect whales and other certainly greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike, which generally is genuinely critical. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each task. Basics that we especially assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative truly potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, or so they especially thought. 2022 1014 in a significant manner. Plus 0.16% $0 0901 2022 1015 3.95% $0 0864 2022 1016 in an especially enormous manner. 1.24% $0 0888 2022 1017 3.15% $0 0871 2022 1018 plus 1.00% $0 0908 2022 1019 and in every way that really matters, huge way. 3.12% $0 0871 2022 1020, which generally is genuinely huge. 3.78% $0 0865 2022 1021 in opposition to prevalent thinking. 4.94% $0 0855 2022 1022 1.50% 8 cents anchor convention value forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022 preceding. We certainly see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise in a kind of significant manner. Underneath, especially as a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 NOV. 19.90% $0 0720 2022 deck in an unobtrusive manner. 37.89% $0 0559 2023 Jan, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. 32.50% $0 0607 2023 Feb, which is genuinely huge. 26.64% $0 0660 2023 Blemish, or so they thought. 23.16% $0 0691 2023 APRA. 11.18% $0 0799 2023 May, which is genuinely critical. 11.07% $0 0800 2023 Jun, or so they thought. 3.93% $0.0864 JUL. 3.83% $0.0865 AUG in an unobtrusive manner, plus 9.86% $0.0988 SEP, plus 7.73% $0.0969 AUG, plus 16.40% 10 cents a NC value expectation 2025 in a significant manner. Our forecast model sees ANC coming to 18 cents in 2025, which is genuinely huge. What will ANC in every way that really matters be somewhat worth in 5 years? The cost of a NC in 5 years could lie around 16 cents, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Anchor convention value expectation 2030 to 2040, which by and large is very critical. What anchor convention will generally be worth in 2030, or so they basically thought. Our gauging model sees anchor convention coming to 47 cents in 2030. What anchor convention will be worth in 2040 amazingly. Our determining model sees anchor convention coming to 94 cents in 2040. Will more conventions certainly supplant, especially outperform, basically surpass Bitcoin, which is genuinely huge? No, anchor convention won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Can secure convention reach $10 or so they in every practical sense? Thought. Indeed, anchor convention could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022, which is genuinely huge. Could more convention explicitly reach $1,000? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for anchor convention to generally reach $1,000 in the especially short or mid-term period, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is anchor convention extremely worth purchasing? Which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. We are backers of respectably dangerous financial planning. Basically put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of extremely enormous cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain, which is very huge. Thus, in this unique situation, anchor convention fundamentally is extremely worth purchasing. Is anchor convention a wise interest in a really significant manner? Anchor convention is, very much like all really other cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe venture, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. It truly does in a real sense have higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it, which is genuinely critical. How fundamentally much will secure convention basically be worth? For the sort of transient future, it could reach 5 cents. In the truly long haul, it could leap to 47 cents or considerably higher amazingly. For what reason will more convention explicitly succeed and basically get more expensive? Anchor convention especially has a by and large great use case, very much planned tokenomics, certainly dynamic local area and a for the most part strong group behind it incredibly. These really are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees anchor convention ascending to 47 cents in 2030 and in every practical sense, huge way. For what reason will secure convention in every